Good morning, 8:24 on your Monday, and you know what? It is March now. It's March 1st. March is Nutrition Month, and we're officially ringing it in with award-winning dietitian Sue Ma and Dairy Farmers of Ontario. Now, Sue is joining us this morning with delicious recipes that will ensure you and your family get the nutrients that you need. Good morning, Sue.
Good morning, Devo. How are you?
I'm well, thanks. How are you? Happy Nutrition Month.
Happy Nutrition Month to you, too.
Let's talk about this and milk. I remember growing up, my brother and I would drink, we'd get the bags, right? And we'd finish off a bag at dinner every day. My parents were like, what is happening here? We loved it.
Well, that's great because there's so many essential nutrients in milk. And by cooking with milk, which is what we're going to do today, you're adding those amazing nutrients, vitamin A, vitamin D, protein, and zinc to your recipes. So I'm going to show you two different recipes. And the first one uses milk. And if you're ready, we'll get started.
Yeah, let's do it. Because people think about it's just baking, but it's not just baking that you can use milk.
Exactly. I mean, it's so versatile. You can drink it, you can bake with it, you can cook with it. So the first recipe is a spicy red lentil and Havarti soup. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to saute some curry powder, and this gives it a beautiful, warm, sort of earthy flavor. I'm also going to add some carrots. So just toss that in. It's about 3 carrots chopped up. I'm also going to add some celery, and then I'm going to add my potatoes, and then I'm going to add some onions. So you're going to give that a stir, right, until the onions get a little bit soft. And then after the onions get soft, you're going to add in these red lentils. Now, have you cooked with red lentils before, Devo?
I haven't. No, I'm not. So how would you get them set up and ready to go for the soup?
Yeah, so they're split-dried red lentils. They cook a lot faster than the green and the brown lentils, and when they cook, they become soft.
Nice.
What I love about red lentils, too, is that they're packed with fiber and iron. Then we're going to add some broth. You can use chicken broth or vegetable broth, right? And now I'm going to add 3 cups of milk. Now, with the milk, I'm using whole milk because I want the soup to have a creamy texture. And as I mentioned, by cooking with milk, you're adding those essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin D, high-quality protein, and zinc. Now, protein gives us energy to help us get through our busy days. And zinc supports healthy skin. And in fact, in our bodies, zinc helps create new skin cells. It helps to fight infection and reduce inflammation. So this is going to be a nutrient-packed recipe for sure. So give that a stir, and then as it starts to boil, you just put the lid on, cover it up, let it simmer for about 30 minutes or so. There you can see in the video.
That looks good.
Let it simmer for about 30 minutes or so until the lentils get soft. Puree it in a blender or an immersion blender, and then there's the soup. It's beautiful. It's got that warm, earthy flavor from the curry. We're going to add some jalapeno Havarti cheese just to kick it up a notch with the heat. Add some cilantro on top just for some garnish. And it's a great recipe, perfect for a day when you just want to snuggle up on the sofa and have something warm.
That is perfect comfort food right there, and it's healthy in that sense as well. We got about a minute left. I want to get to your second recipe because when we're talking off camera, like, look, chicken lettuce wraps, I'm so down for this.
Even my dad eats this, okay? So you have to know it's good, and my dad's a chef. So for the chicken lettuce wraps, all you're going to do is you're going to fry up some ground beef, some carrots, onions, garlic, ginger, and then the secret is the hoisin sauce with soy sauce. And hoisin sauce is a sweet, salty sauce. I've also added some water chestnuts, which is a vegetable, to the recipe that gives it a nice crunch and crispy flavor. And then when it's all done, you're just going to scoop that filling into a lettuce leaf, just like this. So simple, finger food. Add some red pepper and green onion on top as a garnish, and there you go. Fun to eat, super nutritious, and you're going to have these recipes up on your website, I think, right?
Yeah, we are. Definitely. Everyone can check it out, of course, on breakfasttelevision.ca. So good. Sue Ma, thank you so much. We got the appetizer, and then we got the main with that soup. And, of course, people always question, I always make my soup with milk. So I think it's great. It just adds another little punch to it, a little thickness, and a little more warmth as well. So to get a dose of these essential nutrients in our diets, don't forget to pick up milk on your next visit to the grocery store. And to learn more about it and the recipes, go to whatcan'tmilkdo.com. Thanks, Sue.
Thanks, Steve. Bye.
Have a great day. Thank you.